Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hello, this is Rachel from Kalkine Studios and you're watching the IPO Corner, a weekly show dedicated to IPO market performance with information about listing companies. But before investing in any shares, you need to understand the business prospects and operations in detail, such as future risks and returns. This can include changing the IPO price or issuance date as the companies see fit. On that note, let's look at the proposed IPO listings scheduled for the month of November. First on the list is Source Certain International, a Western Australian-based company offering provenance verification and supply chain integrity technology. It's undertaken a $7 million public offering at a 20-cent issue price and plans to list on the 2nd of November at 12 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time. Next on the list is Nightingale Intelligence System. They develop and sell drones for commercial applications. Their intelligent robotic aerial security service allows customers to patrol and protect their facilities. It's undertaken a $6 million public offering at a 22 cents issue price. They plan to list on the 3rd of November at 11 a.m. Australian Eastern Time. Next on the list is an early-stage mineral exploration and development company called Kalkine Resources. They're focused on gold and other commodities within projects located in South and Western Australia. The company has undertaken a $10 million public offering at a 20 cents issue price. Kalkine Resources plan to list on the 4th of November at 12 p.m. Australian Eastern Time. Next is DeSoto Resources, and exploring potential opportunities for gold and lithium projects in the Northern Territory. They've undertaken a $12 million public offering at a 20 cents issue price. According to the ASX, DeSoto Resources plan to list on the 15th of November. On that note, let's take a short break. On the other side, we'll take a look at the rest of the IPO scheduled for November.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to Zero Coin.
Hello and welcome back. Let's now take a look at the rest of the IPOs scheduled for the month of November. Canadian listed exploration and development company Kalkine Resources is focused on developing the Kobada Gold Project in southern Mali. It's a low capital, low operating cost project with the potential to produce more than 1 million ounces of gold per year. It's undertaken a $32.5 million public offering at a 20 cents issue price. According to the ASX, Kalkine Resources plans to list on the 16th of November at 12 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time. Next on the list is Lightning Minerals. The company holds rights to various exploration license applications in Western Australia across 4 project areas. It's undertaken a $7 million public offering at a 20 cents issue price and plans to list on the 22nd of November. And last on the list is Orpheus Minerals. They explore greenfield uranium deposits in South Australia and the Northern Territory. They've undertaken a $6 million public offering at a 20 cents issue price. According to the ASX, Orpheus Minerals plan to list on the 29th of November. Well, it's time to wrap up the show, but let me share this critical information first. Before investing in IPOs, investors must check the company's credibility and track record. Risk appetite can vary for investors, and you need to consider factors such as analyst views, brokerage ratings, industry outlook, financial performance, and peer review before making an investment decision. It's also important to note that companies can change the IPO price or issuance date as they see fit. That's all for now for the IPO Corner show. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV. We've got more shows for you with live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.